Hello dear traders, and welcome to another update on the market. For today, I decided to cover Euro versus US dollar. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the Euro versus US dollar first. So basically what we got here is defined trading range. In the last couple of days we have defined resistance at 0.065. This resistance zone is still active, and it was also acting like resistance this morning. We can see that market is trying and attempting to break this area, but for now market is still holding, and only if the market can break this and hold above, if the price action will be confirmative, not just the price to break. So if the market can break and hold on the pullbacks, then this can open the door for higher prices, maybe towards the 1.0735. But in case if we don't see that, if we still see that market is reacting, or the supply of the supply is present, then there is a still chance for the market to go lower towards the 1.0585 area. So watch for the price action around this key pivot area to confirm the further direction on the Euro versus US dollar. If we speak about the gold market, it's a very similar scenario. We have defined resistance at 1820. And the market yesterday refused to go, actually went above and sold off very strong, and this can leave the door for lower prices in the next period towards the support zone at 1785, and maybe even towards the secondary support zone at 1777. Even the third zone is around 1765. So there is still plenty of potential for the market to trade to the lower end of this trading range. If we speak about the crude oil market, the situation there, we just go to the 1 hour time frame. The situation there, the levels for today that were active actually from yesterday, we had defined support and defined resistance. So market actually broke support and then reclaimed here again, resold. So there is a chance for the crude oil to trade lower. We have some mini support zone here, 78 mark, and then we have this swing low and swing high around 77 mark, and some bigger support cluster around this area here, and then this area here. So there is a plenty of potential for the lower prices in the crude oil. So watch for selling opportunities. And if we speak about the Bitcoin versus US dollar, we can see that market is still in this trading range. Now we have a defined resistance, and market is still respecting this, and we have also defined support zones and this intermediate support zone. So market is trading around this range. If the market can break and hold above 16,730, hold and the pullbacks to provide more buyers, this can indicate higher prices. But we can see that this area is actually quite significant, also support. So this is a very, very important zone. Only the market can really trade above and hold above. We can open the door for 16,900 or 70,000 mark to be on the test. From other side, if market can break and trade below 16,557, this can open the door for retest of 16,300 zone or 16,290 zone. So watch for the price action around those key clusters. That will be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe as always, and speak to you tomorrow morning.